Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can import or synchronize contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video. And also friends, please write your comments after watching. So let's get started. Let's get to our topic. Open the settings. After that, you need to scroll down, find the apps option. After that, also swipe down and find Mail. Click on it. Now you need to go to the Mail Accounts option. Next, friends, you need to select Add Account. After that, click on Google. And now at the bottom, you can either add your email or phone number thanks to autofill, or you can just enter your email or phone number yourself. And then you'll need to scan your Face ID to confirm that it's you. After that, you'll be taken to a page like this where you will be informed that your account has been added to your iPhone. And now friends, so automatically already you start importing contacts from your Google account to your iPhone. But to make sure, I recommend you to go to Gmail option on Mail Account page. And here check if all the contacts are really connected. This is where the contacts feature should be active. If you have it in this position, then you need to reactivate it. After that, after 2 to 3 minutes, you can already log into the Contacts app on your iPhone. And you will be able to see that your contacts list has increased, because all the contacts that were in your Gmail account are now synchronized and are in the Contacts app on your iPhone. If unfortunately, after a few minutes, this hasn't happened, then restart your iPhone. Perhaps all the data may not have had time to pull up all the data in your iPhone contacts. Dear friends, this is how you can synchronize your Google Contacts to your iPhone. Don't forget to like and comment. Subscribe to our channel. See you friends.